At some point in our journey, some of us are in the quest of trying to find our style. And if you clicked on this video, that's probably your case. There are many steps to get there, but this video is not about all the steps to take. If you are interested about that, I will add some resources in the description. On this quest, sometimes we are so focused on our work that we can't see anything anymore. So asking for an external help can be incredibly helpful. There is this one exercise that I love to share because it's quite entertaining to do. So I will share with you what you need to do in just 1 minute. But before that, there is something that I would like to encourage you to do. This is to ask real people. Let's say you are using Instagram as your main platform, but it can work with any platform that you want, or even in real life if you don't use social media. Ask people to give you 2 or 3 words that define your work. Write them down, and you are going to see that you might have words that come back again and again. And even if it's not the case, it is really interesting to see how other people perceive your work. And it can really help you to see if you have a specific style already or not. Okay, so now let's do the little exercise because this is why you are here. So let's get into the actual exercise. So what you need to do before jumping in Photoshop is to create a little montage with some of your photos. The best would be to add the photos that you feel like they kind of have a style that is similar, so it makes something that is coherent. If you really have no idea of what is your style and you feel like nothing makes sense, it still will just add your favorite photos to one single montage. So you are going to upload this to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to see the different image. So just create that. I did it inside of Canva, so it's very fast to do. You can also do it inside of Photoshop. Just use whatever you want, but you need some of your favorite photos into one image. So then what we are going to do is to go in ChatGPT and then click on add a new file, upload your montage. Okay, once it's uploaded, you are going to write this prompt. What can you say about these photos? What style is it? What does it make you think about? Once you wrote that, just click enter, and here ChatGPT is going to give its thought, and you might have interesting insight from it. And then from there, if you are curious about something specific they say, just add another prompt, and just like that you can learn about your style and maybe learn how to create a cohesive style with your image. Sometimes because our work is really personal and we are really subjective about it, we are not able to tell what is the common point between all this image. And because ChatGPT doesn't have a personal thought, it's just going to analyze what is the common point between all the photos, between the editing style and everything. So it can really help you to get another perspective for your images.